Hi students, how are you doing? Hope you all are good. Welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss on the topic licensing and copyright of a software. Let's start today's class. Licensing and copyright of a software. Licenses are the permissions given to use a product or someone's creation by the copyright holder. A copyright is a legal term to describe the rights of the creator of an original creative work such as a literary work, an artistic work, a design, song, movie or software, etc. A software license is a legal permission or right to use or redistribution of that software. The software can run on a certain number of computers as per license agreement. The software license usually answers questions such as: can you copy, modify or redistribute it? Where and how many times can you install the software? Can you look at the underlying source code? These are the questions raising from a software license. The software licenses are two different types: proprietary licenses and free and open source licenses. This free and open source licenses again categorized as copyleft licenses and permissive licenses. Proprietary licenses. Exclusive rights in the software are retained with the owner or developer or publisher. They reserve all the freedom and rights to use and distribute this proprietary software. Free and open source software. It refers to software that users can safely run, adapt and redistribute without legal restraint and which emphasizes freedom. Free software means the software is freely accessible and can be freely used, changed, improved, copied and distributed by all who wish to do so, and no payments are needed to be made for free software. Open source software can be freely used in terms of making modifications, constructing business models around the software and so on. But it does not have to be free of charge. Here, the company constructing the business models around open source software may receive payments concerning support for the development. In this open source software, the source code is freely available to the customer. A software which is free as well as open belongs to category FOSS, that is free and open source software. The terms free and open represent a differing emphasis on importance of freedom, free software, or technical progress, that is open source software. Free and open source software. Open source software OSS is a software with a source code that is publicly available under general public licenses that give users the right to study, modify and distribute that software and emphasizes security, cost saving and transparency. Hence, FOSS, that is free and open source software allows using, copying, studying and modifying the software, and the source code to be openly shared and allow copyrights to other users. Okay. Then next one, permissive licenses. Permissive licenses provide a royalty-free license to do virtually anything with the source code. They permit using, copying, modifying, merging, publishing, distributing, sublicense and or selling, but distribution can only be made without the source code, as source code modifications can lead to permissive license violation. We can use, copy, modify, merge, publish, distribute, sublicense or selling, everything possible. But the source code modification, that is not possible. That can lead to permissive license violation. Okay, that is this permissive licenses. Then copyleft license. What is this copyleft license? In the case of copyleft licenses, source code has to be provided. We will get the source code. Distribution and modification of source code is permitted. Example, General Public License, GPL. Creative Commons License, CCL. Acronyms, that is very important from this chapter. Lesser General Public License, LGPL. Mozilla Public License, MPL, etc. These all are copyleft license. The source code has to be provided. Okay. Then copyright license. It is the form of protection given to the authors of original works of authorship. This is given in the field of literature, dramatics, music, software, art, etc. This protection applies to published as well as unpublished work. Software copyright is used by software developers and proprietary software companies to prevent the unauthorized copying of their software. Free and open source licenses also rely on copyright law to enforce their terms. Okay, we can't copy these all softwares. That is this copyright protection. Okay, clear? Copyright protects your software from someone else copying it and using it without your permission. When you hold the copyright to software, you can make copies of it, distribute it, modify it. We have a copyright software, then we can make copies of it, we can distribute it, we can modify it. That is an authorized software. Only that authorized person or organization can do this all process. Okay, clear? Okay guys, I hope it's clear to you. Identify and analyze each and every terms from this licensing and copyright of a software. The notes and test paper are attached. Study the notes and submit your answers as soon as possible. These all are very easy topics, so study these all topics in an effective way. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.